Ever wondered if one day we'd just print houses instead of building them brick by brick? Well, that day isn't as far off as you might think. Let's talk 3D printing in construction and why it's about to change everything you know about building. First up, what is 3D printing for construction? Imagine a giant robot squeezing out layers of concrete or special building material, following a digital blueprint. No bricks, no mortar, just precise automated layers stacked up to form a wall, a room, or even a whole house. Now let's get to why this is such a game changer for us in construction. Speed is the first big advantage. With 3D printing, you're talking about building homes in days, not months. That's right, days. This tech can produce complex structures faster than a team with traditional tools. And because it uses a computer-controlled process, there's way less human error, and every wall comes out exactly as designed. But it's not just about going fast. There's a big win in terms of cost savings too. 3D printers use exactly as much material as needed. No waste, no over-ordering. That means more money stays in your pocket and less ends up in the dumpster. Let's talk design. Ever had an architect dream up wild, curved walls or funky shapes, and your first thought was, how are we going to build that? With 3D printing, you can actually make those ideas happen. Complex curves, custom shapes. The printer just follows the file. If you can design it, you can build it. Sustainability is another huge plus. A lot of 3D printed buildings use eco-friendly materials like recycled concrete or even natural fibers. Less waste, less carbon footprint, and a shot at greener construction sites. Now, does this mean robots are coming for all our jobs? Not quite. Skilled pros are still needed, just in new ways. Think of yourself as the expert guiding the process, setting up the machines and handling the finish work that robots can't do. But like any new tech, there are challenges. Not every project is a fit for 3D printing yet. There are limits in size, location, and code approvals. And let's be real, you still need a solid foundation and a crew for the finishing touches. Bottom line, 3D printing is not science fiction. It's real, it's here, and it's moving fast. Those who get ahead of the curve will find more opportunities, cooler projects, and maybe even a little less backbreaking labor. So, if you're in construction, keep an eye on this tech. The future of building might just come out of a printer.